Let's match a Maxi Nerdle. We get 24 divided by 6 plus 3 times 1 equals 7. Awesome. Equals 7. We got a multiplication and division. Interesting. Division doesn't go here. Maybe we got parentheses out front. Let's just give that a try, maybe. 4 times 3 is 12. And I could just divide by... Oh, okay. That's equals 7 at the end. What's 7 times 12? 84. So if I divide... Oh, I can't divide by 12. Okay, so I don't know why I wanted to do that. All right, let's get these out of here. So 14 is a reasonable number. You know, we could get a 7 out of that at some point. So I could multiply 14 by 6 or 9 and then divide by 3 or something. Oh, I need 3 double-digit numbers probably, which is going to be hard. 14... Multiplication and division are interesting. I'm glad we got a multiplication and division one. We haven't had them in a while in a Maxi Nerdle, so I'm happy to see them, but they're tricky to deal with. All right, 14 times 5 would be 70, and then I could divide by 10. I'm not going to be able to get a 3 in here. And I need, the characters are strange. So I can't divide by a double-digit number unless I multiply by a double-digit number. And it seems like this has to be a double-digit number up front, which would make me think that the next thing would be multiplication. And if this is just 4, it's really hard to get a 7 involved without this being 14. It feels like this kind of has to be 14. 7 is just a weird thing for this to equal if we have multiplication and division, because 7 isn't a factor of a lot of numbers. And 14 feels like the perfect thing to put here, unless it's 84, which would make sense, because that's 12 times 7. Maybe it's 84 out front. No, because then I have to multiply it, though. 84 times 1 divided by 12. And again, now I need 2 double-digit numbers. Ah, man, this is really difficult to make work. It kind of feels like there has to be another 7. 4 times 7. And then there's a 3, which is really... 3 and 7 are, really tough prime numbers. They have nothing to do with it. You need to do 3 times 7 if you're going to get... how does a 3 get involved in this? Unless it's 35, because that's divisible by 7. 4 times 35. And then I'm going to have to divide it by something that has a 5 in it again. 4 times 35. How does this fit? Yeah, then I can only divide by a single-digit number. So that's 140. I would have to divide by 20 to get to 7. This is extremely difficult, actually. I feel like if I figure out something that works, it's probably just going to be the answer. I think there's probably only one thing that works here. These numbers are just really weird to deal with. I still really feel like this probably has to be 14. And then I just don't. How am I getting a 3 involved? Especially if there's no 6. I can't multiply, or if I multiply by 3, I then have to definitely divide by 3. Times 3 squared divided by 9. I don't understand. Times 3 squared. I just have to do a filler, but I don't know what to do as a filler. I kind of really want to check if 14 goes here. I think that might be my primary objective right now. Maybe I just try the 3 here. So 14 times 3, so that's 42. I should probably try to get some more numbers in. I'm just not going to have it equal 7, because making it equal 7 is really hard with multiplication and division. Maybe I just try multiplication twice. So 42, I don't know, divided by 7 divided by 3 equals 2. Just move some stuff around, It is 14 times 3. So that's 42. And then somehow I need to divide by 6. Right? I mean, there's no way this is a double-digit number, right? It could be 3 squared, but then I have to divide by 18. Oh, I can just do that. Oh, okay. I was very close. Okay. Yeah, 3 squared divided by 18. I was very close to getting this. I could have gotten this in 2, probably. That's crazy. Okay. So it's got to be 3 cubed. 8 is weird. Is it not 3 cubed? 8 is a weird number to go here. 14 times 3 cubed. Yeah, it can't be 3 cubed. That's not going to work. 18 times 30. No double-digit numbers end in 8 that I could divide by. Whoa, I'm very confused by this. Okay, what is this number going to be? The possibilities are 18. Well, it can't be 18. 38, 48. 48 is divisible by a lot of stuff. It's got to be 48, actually. Okay. It's got to be 48. And then third, what could this be? 35. So 48. 48 is 6 times 8. That's so many twos. How many gets of this? No, this can't be 32 though. What is going on? 48 is the only number that makes sense here. We have our 7. So yeah, there's a 7 in here, and then it's going to be 2 times. It's crazy that this isn't just popping out at me. This should be like relatively straightforward. It can't be 30 because I'm introducing a 5. It can't be 31 to prime. It can't be 33 because I'm introducing 11. It can't be 34 because I'm introducing 17. It can't be 35 because I'm introducing another 7, and that's not going to work. It can't be 37. 37's prime. It can't be 38. None of these numbers make any sense. What am I missing? Is it 33 divided by 88 or something? 3/8? No, that doesn't make any sense. What is going? Why am I losing my mind? 3 is 98 divisible by 7? It is. Is that helpful? 35 divided by 98? Oh, okay. So this has to equal 1/2, right? Is that true? Yeah. Okay, that's probably the way to think about it. 14 times 1/2. So whatever this double-digit number is has to be half of whatever this double-digit number is, which means that this has to be a 4, but this has to be 68, right? Like, how else is that going to work? I'm just losing my mind. There's no 6. There's no 6. Is there an alternate? What am I missing here? 30 what? 14 times 34, 68 equals 7. Right? This piece has to equal 1/2 because half of 14 is 7. So presumably this number would have to be double this number, and this number would have to be double this number, because 39. Oh, it's 39 and 78. Ah, there it is. Finally arrived at an alternate possibility. Oh, God. Okay, there's a Maxi Nerdle for you. Thanks for watching. Catch you later.